If you enjoy this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical tales. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Mia who loved to watch the sky. Mia was kind, gentle, and shined brightly with happiness. But Mia had one problem: she felt very alone. She wanted to play with other children, but they didn't let her join. The other kids played all sorts of games like running, jumping, and splashing in puddles. But Mia was different. She loved to sit quietly and make up stories about the clouds. The other kids teased her and said, "You're not like us, Mia. You don't even know how to play right. Go away." This made Mia very sad, and sometimes she even cried. One sunny day, as Mia sat by herself, a warm, gentle voice called out to her. It was Grandma Sunny, the kind old lady from the village who loved everyone. "Why are you sad, little one?" she asked. Mia told Grandma Sunny all about the kids who wouldn't let her play with them. Grandma Sunny smiled and said, "Oh, dear Mia, it's okay to be different. Let me show you something special that only you can do." Mia's eyes sparkled with curiosity. Grandma Sunny taught Mia how to make colorful paper flowers. "Each flower you make brings a little joy to others," said Grandma Sunny. Mia worked hard and made beautiful flowers of every color. Soon, she shared her lovely flowers with the other kids, who were amazed and happy. Seeing how Mia brought smiles to everyone, the other children felt sorry and said, "We're sorry, Mia. We didn't understand how special you are." Mia forgave them, and they all played together, laughing and sharing their own favorite games. And from that day on, Mia knew that being different was her special gift. Did you enjoy Mia's story? If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wonderful tales. See you next time.